Okay, all right.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. So today I would like to present the first script, the breaking point. 3 exams in 2 days, a 20-page paper due Monday, lab reports multiplying like bacteria. This is my fifth today. I'm pretty sure my blood is 90% caffeine. My study group, they all dropped the class last week. All of them. Smart, really smart move. Everyone warned me junior year would be tough, but this isn't tough. This is suffocation with a syllabus. My roommate thinks I live in the library now and left me a note. Do you still exist? Funny, I don't know the answer to that. My mother keeps texting, how are you? Fine, I say. Great. What else can I say? That I'm drowning? That I can't remember the last time I ate something that wasn't from a vending machine? That maybe I'm not cut out for pre-med after all? 3 generations of doctors. This photo, my father in his white coat, proud, certain. But you know what? Perhaps it's time for some honesty here. And here I am, afraid to say out loud that I feel nothing but pressure in this park, except in one class, art history, the only class that makes me feel alive, which I discreetly added to my schedule this semester. The one my father called a waste of credits. But when I'm there, I breathe. So maybe failing isn't about dropping a class. Maybe failing isn't changing your dream. Maybe failing is never having the courage to chase the right one. I think it's time to make a call, a real one. No more fine, no more pretending. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Okay.